Are you kidding me?
Nope.
Hey, welcome to Flight Test. I'm Josh. This is Peter.
Hey guys.
Peter, what in the world are you doing?
Today we're going to be waterproofing, actually showing you guys how to waterproof your components like your ESC, your receiver, and your servos for your planes, so you can fly in the wettest of conditions.
Wow.
So you want to just give a little demo?
See, I thought you were honestly damaging stuff to get rid of it. Are you kidding me?
Nope.
Now, what components did you use to do this?
Mainly what I used for most of this stuff, like for the helicopter and the tank, was the CorrosionX. This is the standard normal edition of their stuff. We have the spray can version, and we also have the spray bottle, which is good for dipping things. We also have some HD that I'm going to show you for servos and stuff. And we also have some conformal coating too, which is another option, and some epoxy for your ESCs.
So you don't use one thing on all these. You actually use different things.
Yeah, I use different components because certain things like the ESCs will catch on fire even if you use CorrosionX. They become a little more resistant to the water, but if you keep shaking them around there, they just blow up anyways.
And the whole idea of this is not to show you how to dunk things underwater and make them work,
Just
but
for
to
foot flying,
protect them.